Swimming is one of the most effective and enjoyable forms of exercise, and even dedicating just 10 minutes every day can bring a wide range of health benefits. While it may seem like a short amount of time, consistency is what truly makes the difference. A daily 10-minute swimming routine can positively impact your physical health, mental well-being, and overall lifestyle. Here is a detailed look at the benefits of swimming for 10 minutes every day. To begin with, swimming provides a full-body workout in a very short period. Unlike many other forms of exercise that target specific muscles, swimming engages almost every part of your body. When you swim, your arms pull through the water, your legs kick to propel you forward, and your core works to keep your body balanced and stable. This coordinated movement helps tone muscles and improve overall strength. Even in just 10 minutes, your muscles are actively working, which contributes to better body conditioning over time.